Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Right here is Kiang Wu Hospital. So this is the biggest hospital in Macau, and this is basically where most things get done if you have a medical issue. So it's that pinkish building. And right up here, I'm just kind of on top of some building that's, I don't know, I've never been up here before. Actually, you can go down that way and go down. I've never been up here, so I might just see if I can go a different way. But you know, these are apartment buildings right here, and we're just gonna see if we can walk straight down, and then see if I can walk straight down this way. And it looks like I can. So, okay. I think this is an apartment building, I guess. Somebody's practicing music there. Parking garage. Yeah, I'm just gonna go around. So yeah, never been in here, parking garage. So we're just gonna walk through, and we're gonna walk by Kiang Wu in a minute. So yeah, Macau they had a policy where they're gonna try to make it into hospital tourism, kind of like that, something like that. But that never really took off. So the one hospital here is pretty mediocre by most standards. But I've heard that people, expats that live in the mainland, they like to come over for sure. I just kind of get caught up in this. It's pretty cool. It's beautiful. That's beautiful. That one's wow. This is pretty cool. So yeah, this one is like a bike shop. So they do repair, and then they got this really beautiful statue right there too. Wow, really like that. Okay. So yeah, a lot of times you'll see there's a lighter right there and a little thing. This one has like some cats up in the left. This is really cool too. I don't know if you can see them. Better image of them right there. So, okay. I don't know what this is. It's all like measuring cups. It's like a biology lab. So, okay. Fruit juice. Classic land, I don't know. Construction. So many shops here. I wonder how they stay in business. So okay, so we're gonna walk. Basically, we're gonna walk down this. This is McDonald's. It's in this building, and then those apartments that I went through the middle was right up there too, and then Kiang Wu is right there. And let's see, we can walk across. So, okay. Little roundabout, right? And Kiang Wu, this is the emergency room side, so if you're going to visit anybody that had some issue, it's going to be the emergency side of the hospital. And then basically we walk all the way down, and there's another entrance to the side and around front as well. So we're going to walk all the way down. And you start seeing some of the hospital people too, right? So you got a mask on. The sign says visitors right there. Okay. So the hospitals takes a while to walk past too. I don't know, you see some of these apartments. This one is pretty cool right there. So Okay, so this is the hospital. I'm just gonna walk all the way down. This looks pretty dangerous. This is like, looks like you could, if you're pushing a stroller or something with wheels, you could go right into the middle of the street. It kind of has like this incline right there. This is the fire station. And okay, Pacific Coffee, so we're just gonna keep on going down. More fire station stuff. Or this thing that if you were pushing a stroller or wheels, you'd be right there real quick. And okay, let's try to get across here. So this is more of the hospital, this whole entrance too. So, okay. I think you got a pretty good idea for this part of Macau anyways. You can see all the density as well, right? I'll just go a little bit further because up here is where the entrance is to the hospital. One of the many entrances. You can see all the apartment style places too. So yeah, this is the outpatient right there. So okay. Actually, maybe I might just go across here. Okay. And see, there you go, Hospital Kiang Wu. And we're going to conclude right there.